All Tesla vehicles come with the mobile connector, but you may be interested in upgrading to a wall connector. So here's some pros and cons of the mobile connector versus the wall connector and who may benefit from upgrading. So the mobile connector can charge at up to 32 amps, which is 7.7 kilowatts, and that's a 30 miles of range an hour charge rate for the Model 3. And it comes with a 20-foot cord. Biggest pro is it's included with the car at no extra cost. It has a thinner cable, which makes it easier to maneuver, and it's a lower profile. It's portable, and it has 8 plug-and-play adapters that are available from Tesla to pretty much plug into almost any outlet you may have. Some cons, it's the lower of the options as far as max power and the charge rate goes, but it's way more powerful than any other electric vehicle, so that's pretty nice. You need to pack it and unpack it if you only have one and you need to take it with you. And the outlet that you plug it into can wear out if you plug and unplug it often. The wall connector can charge at up to 48 amps. That's 11.5 kilowatts or a 44 mile an hour charge rate on the Model 3. But that's only for the long range version. The standard range can only charge at 32 amps anyway, so it's no faster. It's available with an 8.5-foot cord or a 24-foot cord. So some pros, it can charge 50% faster than the mobile connector on a long-range Model 3. It can go up to 80 amps on an S or an X if they are equipped with that speed of a charger. And one cool thing that this can do is you can connect up to 4 of them together and they can share one circuit. So if you only have 80 amps available, you can charge 4 cars from that. For cons, the installation is more expensive. A lot of areas you have to have a permit. It has to be installed by an electrician because to get those types of amperages, you need to hardwire it. And it also has a much larger cable and it takes up more space in the garage. You can see in this picture, the mobile connector pretty much just falls down next to the car, but the wall connector sticks out quite a ways. So in a small garage, it may get in your way. So the mobile connector is really a great solution for most people. It's faster than what most electric vehicles come with anyway, and it's as fast as the standard range Model 3 can charge. If you drive 40 to 50 miles a day, no problem there. If you have greater than 6 hours to charge each night, you don't really need to charge faster. And especially if you already have a NEMA 1450 outlet, or you need to charge from a regular 120 volt outlet, there's really no reason to upgrade. Now you might want to upgrade if you drive a lot of miles each day, and especially if you need a fast turnaround. So if you arrive home empty and you need to leave home full in a short period of time. If you have time of use electricity billing, you have a limited number of hours each night that you can charge at a low rate. Or if you don't have supercharging on your normal route. If you have multiple cars that need to share one connector, and if you have multiple connectors that need to share one circuit. And finally, you may just want it. Sometimes we just want cool stuff, and that's fine too. I hope this has been helpful for anyone trying to decide between a mobile connector or a wall connector. And if you like these videos, like and subscribe, and leave your video request in the comments.